welcome back to our channel. Today we will be going to talk about something related to money and debt. In your horoscope, what are the conditions from which you can predict how you can earn money and how much you will take debts in your life? Along with that, today we will also see some effective remedies from which you can improve your money and close your all the debts in your life which you have taken so far. So watch the video till end for the remedies for you to know, and if you perform those remedies, you will have surely the best results out of it. So watch this video until end, and if you like the video and whatever explanation I have done, then please do subscribe to the channel. So let's start with a question. Has it ever happened to you that someone borrowed money from you and then refused to return it? Maybe you invested your hard earned money in a business and it got stuck there, or your money is stuck in some government office and is not being returned. This is the problem, which is not only yours, but many people face the same issue. Now, the main question is, why does this happen? Is this just a coincidence, or is there a deeper reason behind it from which we can find in your horoscope? But the answer is yes, there is a reason. The reason is your own actions, your own karma. When money gets stuck, it's not only because outside situations, but it's also the result of your past and present actions which you have done. If you have ever knowingly troubled someone, taken someone's rights, or tried to earn money in the wrong way, then it affects the flow of your money. Of course, why it not if forgive? So don't worry about that, because just like actions are made, they can also be corrected. Today, we will also share with you some simple and effective remedies, as I told you in the starting, which will not only help recover your stuck money but also improve your financial condition. Now, just think, how would life feel if money doesn't reach your hands? Same hard work, same struggle, but no real results. Whether you do a business, have a job, or have made investments, if your earnings are getting blocked, it clearly means something is wrong. And this problem could be due to the position of your planets in your horoscope, the faults in your home's vastu, or your own actions. But the good thing is, this can be changed. All you need is to follow the right remedies, which we will talk in this video. So watch this till end. Now, first of all, let's talk about the astrological reasons behind the causes. Now, if Jupiter and Venus are weak in your horoscope, understand each and everything clearly. And if you still don't understand, you can put a comment in the comment section below. If Jupiter and Venus are weak in your horoscope, then even if money comes, it won't stay with you or will get stuck somewhere. This is guaranteed. Also, if the first house, which is the ascendant of your horoscope, the second house, which we call as the house of money, or the 12th house are affected, it directly impacts your financial conditions. Not just that, if the southeast or northwest corner of your home has vastu faults, then money keeps slipping away even after coming in. So the question is, what is the solution? We will go deep into the video. We will go deep into the conditions and all the remedies. So stay tuned. The solution, if we talk about solution, it is quite simple. But you need to follow some remedies regularly. First, to balance your Venus. If your Venus is weak and you have to balance your Venus planet, then you should apply a perfume daily, and especially on Friday, because it increases the positive energy of Venus. and also brings the luxury, the happiness, and the prosperity into your life. If Venus is weak, you may face money problems, but this perfume strengthens Venus energies and brings financial stability. Now, talking about Jupiter, if your Jupiter is weak in your horoscope, then how to strengthen it? Never take or even give loans on Thursdays. Doing any loan transactions on this day can absolutely weaken Jupiter in your chart. A weak Jupiter leads to financial problems most of the times. Also, on Thursdays, don't keep trash or waste lying in or around of your home. This also affects Jupiter's energy and it can harm your financial situations. If you want your Jupiter to stay strong and your wealth to grow, you must follow these rules carefully. Now, whatever I have been mentioning here is just the precautions, but the actual remedy which I am going to talk about is now, and also you will get some remedies at the end of the video. So, listen it carefully. Now, the another very effective remedy is feeding cows with wheat bran, or we can say choker and jaggery. But here's something which is important to understand for you. I've seen that many people feed cows at a cow shed, which is good, nothing bad in that. But if you want to truly purify your karma and receive full blessings of all the planets, not talking about only Venus or Jupiter or Moon or whatever else, I'm talking about all the planets, then feed stray cows, those that have no shelter, those that no have any caretaker and a vendor on the streets. Cows in the cow shed are usually taken care of and regularly fed. But we should do these remedies that are uncommon. Feeding the hungry and the homeless cows not only pleases Jupiter and Venus and all of your planets, but also brings blessings from all the nakshatras, planets, and your horoscope will be strong. This is not just a remedy for you, it is a strong way to purify your karma. When you help a helpless beings, your ego and your bad karma start getting cleared. Even the scripture says, Annadan is the greatest donation. And when this food reaches someone who truly needs it, the result becomes even more powerful. So, next time when you feed a cow, choose the one who really needs it. This is true service and the best kind of action. Now, this was the first remedy. Let's talk about Vastu because it also directly affects your wealth and success. How? Let's see here. If there's any blockage in front of your main door, like garbage, broken furniture, or plant pots, or maybe an electric pole, then money energies also gets blocked from there. And the cleaner and more open your door will be, the better energy and wealth will flow in your house. So also decorate your doorstep. Some people put maybe flowers, maybe sprinkle turmeric and kumkum, or even the flowers or garlands. Then these things help Goddess Lakshmi enter in your home easily. As for the east direction, placing a copper sun on the eastern wall is considered very lucky as well. It brings positive energy, it increases good luck, and helps you get full results out of your efforts. So, in short, people who keep their main door clean, they decorate the entrance and they place the copper sun in the east naturally attract from to prosperity. So, make these small changes and feel the result for yourself. Now, remember, only doing remedies is not enough for you. you also have to watch your karmas, your actions, which you're performing. Always return others' monies honestly and don't trouble anyone financially and use your earnings wisely. This is the most important thing. These things will improve your financial life, obviously. If you follow the remedies and also improve your karma, then trust me, your stuck money will start coming back soon. Your hard work, you work very hard, but still your hands are empty by the end of the month. Why? Because sometimes there's a sudden big expense, sometimes you have to borrow, and it feels like life has become only about managing expenses. Just think some years ago, everything was fine. Why? Because you had money and savings, but now every month something goes wrong and you don't know why money isn't staying. It feels like there's a hole in your bag. No matter how much you put in it, it just disappears. If you feel this same condition, then what I'm going to tell you in the next part is very important for you because I am going to share a hidden secret. And if you understand this well, then whether you have a debt of crores or a money blockage, everything can be changed from it. Now, as you must have observed in your life, that struggles in your life don't come from just one reason, they come from a pattern. Your horoscope, planets, your karma, your mindset, and the energy of your home, all these play a role. And if this balance gets disturbed, you will feel like you were born just to earn money but never to enjoy it. It's not just hard work and planning, it's an invisible force which is also at the work. You must have noticed that some people earn well with very little effort, and some keep struggling day and night but still face many money problems. Some people enjoy the result of their hard work while the others keep working only for others. Some people suddenly become rich while some other people lose all their lifelong earnings in one wrong decision. Why this happens? Because the answer lies in the three planets. If these three planets are in the right position, your money will never run out. But if you ignore them, no matter how much you earn, you won't be able to come out of debt. The first planet which we are going to talk about is Jupiter, the master of your destiny and decisions. What is Jupiter? Jupiter means your wisdom, your right decisions, and your luck. If Jupiter is strong in your horoscope, you will have the habit of making the right decisions at the right time. You will know which opportunity to grab and which one to let go. But if Jupiter is weak, you will keep losing because of your own wrong choices. A weak Jupiter leads a person to invest money in the wrong places, trust the wrong people, or even get trapped in small temptations. So you can notice that in today's world of internet, the world of AI and social media, and thousands of new things come to us every minute. But if your Jupiter is weak, you will waste time on reels and useless content and miss the real opportunities. When Jupiter is strong, even if a person falls, they learn how to rise again. Falling is not the problem, but staying down is. People with a strong Jupiter know how to solve problems and move forward. Now, the second planet, if it will be strong, then it can give you a lot of money. The planet which I'm talking is Venus. Venus, what is Venus? Basically, it is the planet that makes your income work for you. You might earn in lakhs, but if Venus is weak, your money will go in maybe interest, in maybe in loans or useless expenses. You may have seen some people who earn well but still never have any savings as such. People with a weak Venus often leak money. Money comes in but doesn't stay. It also creates problems in relationships and even family members start becoming distant. Life goes by while paying off debts, but financial freedom never comes to you. But if Venus is strong, you can use your money for yourself. Your income doesn't just cover basic needs, it also brings comfort, happiness, and savings in your life. Now, the third planet is Moon. What is Moon? Basically, Moon controls our thinking ability, our mentality, and financial decisions. If your Moon is weak in your horoscope, the person who has a weak Moon takes stress without any real reason. They feel like their problems will never end. They keep making wrong decisions, they keep going with overhead expenses and stay under mental pressure. But the biggest issue here is with people who have a weak moon is that they compare themselves with other and feel unhappy. If you improve these three planets, which are Jupiter, Venus, and Moon, then not only your debts will go away, but money will also start staying with you and your life will become more happier. Till now, I have only talked about some three planets which were Jupiter, Venus, and Moon. But not only see focusing on the planets, we should also focus on one trikona, which is called as Dhan Trikona. Now, think about it. If you have to take one loan to pay off another, can you ever become truly prosperous? Of course not. If your decisions go constantly wrong, your financial conditions weaken, your growth in life can come to a stop. All of this depends on three major planets and houses of your horoscope. And when they are weak, the financial instability enters in your life. Now, let's talk about the another important aspect of your birth chart, as I said before, which is the Dhan Trikona, wealth triangle of your horoscope. As I've explained earlier, the second, sixth, and 10th house in your chart are related to money. Second house, sixth house, and 10th house. These all are related to your money, your income, and your wealth. The second house shows your saved wealth, while the sixth house represents decisions and opportunities that can suddenly move you forward in the life. And talking about 10th house, it is about your karma, your actions or work, which decides how you will earn money and how that income will again turn into savings. Apart from this, the Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn signs are also a form of a wealth triangle, the Dhan Trikona. If there is any blockage or issue in these signs as well, your income may stop, or even if money comes in, it won't stay. Sometimes, no matter how hard you work, how hard you try, you don't get financial success as you believed in yourself. The reason is often a fault in this wealth triangle. Now, let's discuss the current planetary positions. Saturn, Jupiter, Rahu, and Ketu. These all planets stay in one sign for a long time, and their effects are deep and lasting in astrology. If any of these planets are affecting your wealth house, then financial difficulties obviously can increase in your life. Also, your Dasha and Antardasha, which are the planetary time periods, play a major role in this. So you have to check your horoscope, check whether these planets, which are the planets Saturn, Jupiter, Rahu, and Ketu, if these are affecting your wealth triangle, your second, sixth, and 10th house, then this can obviously create some financial difficulties in your life. Now, as I told you in the utmost starting of the video, that we will be going to discuss about more remedies for strengthening your some of the planets which I mentioned before. The question is, how can you strengthen your Jupiter, Venus, and the Moon? I have already shared the remedies for Jupiter and Venus at the start of the video, but now let's talk about how to strengthen your moon. If your moon is weak and you have to strengthen it, then take blessings of your mother. If your mother is no longer alive, then donate something in her name. Also, share your knowledge and help others as much as possible. If you follow these simple remedies, obviously your wealth triangle, which is your Dhan Trikon, will always stay active, as well as these three planets, which are the reason for the money flow and how much less or more debts you will have. If these are strengthened in your horoscope, then obviously you will earn money a lot. So this was the video where we explained that why you are not able to earn your money even after doing a lot of work, and you have to constantly take debts from other and so on. And I have also mentioned the remedies. If you perform those remedies, then obviously you will get and you can observe the changes. You have to understand the logic behind it. So perform those remedies. And if you like the video, then do subscribe to our channel for more such informative knowledge so that you can improve your life.